How to fix a driver cannot load on this device on Windows. 1. Updating all device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Revert to the previous version of the driver, if you can. 3. Disable the memory integrity in Windows Security. Path, Windows Security Device Security Core Isolation Details. 4. Clear potentially corrupt registry entries associated with upper filters and lower filters class GUID, globally unique identifier, at @HE_local_machine \system \current control set \control \class. 5. Perform a system restore.